Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel. Today I've got for you the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp May 2019 card kit, as well as a couple of orders that I had placed have come in. So this one might be a little bit of a lengthy one, but just get your popcorn ready and let's get started. Seen the inspiration for this card kit, and it's really pretty. Okay, this card kit is called Delicate Flowers. Here's some of the inspiration from the design team. So I really love that one. That's really pretty. Okay, so the kit includes the Simon Says Stamp Delicate Flowers, a 6x8 stamp set, and lots of really big flowers. That's really big, that you can do some really pretty coloring on the bud. And the sentiments are: you are so special to me, miss you, true friend, thinking of you, love everything about you, thanks for always being there, you're beautiful to me, adore you, love, so happy for you, hello friend, and you're amazing. So that's a lot of little stamp sets sprinkled out through there, so that's really cool. Okay, and then the pattern paper this month is by ModaScrap, Let Your Soul Bloom. ModaScrap has always has really pretty paper, and they look like watercolor, and so it's always a very delicate color palette. So there are 12 single-sided sheets. So if you watercolored some of these really pretty flowers and put it on top of that, that would be so pretty. That too. More floral. Isn't that just so sweet? That is so pretty. Love that watercolor background. Watercolor flowers. As I said, their papers are just always so pretty. Last one. That one's really pretty. Okay, so that was the ModaScrap paper. Okay, and it's called Let Your Soul Bloom. And then you get one bottle ink each of some Tim Holtz alcohol inks, so that is really cool. And oh, and the pearls, and I've been wanting to try the pearls. The pearls are so pretty. So we have Sublime is the green, and then we have Tranquil is the blue, and Intrigue is the purple, and then we have Blending Solution. So those are some really pretty colors. I can't wait to try those. I've been wanting some pearls. Okay. So then we have one roll of Carta Flower Bouquet washi tape. So that's really pretty. See what it looks like there. Very pretty. And if you're unsure of how to use it as an embellishment on your cards, this is really pretty to put on your envelopes. On the back where you seal your envelopes, to put a strip of that, dresses up your envelopes really easily. Okay, so then we got 2 sheets of 4x7 Yupo paper to use for your alcohol inks, and then 2 sheets of the Tim Holtz alcohol ink cardstock in silver. So this is also something I've been wanting to try, so that's going to be fun. Okay, and then of course our candy. Then we got one each of the Simon Step envelopes in metallic green and cotton candy in white, and they're all self-sealing, and the sparkle on these metallic envelopes is just so pretty. I love their metallic envelopes. They're really pretty. Okay, and then we got Simon Says cardstock in leaf green, 120 pound white, and cotton candy. So this is the Simon Says Stamp May 2019 card kit called Delicate Flowers. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to just set this aside. And we're going to get into the things that I purchased. So I purchased me a Tim Holtz guillotine trimmer. It is the 12.25 inch and it does extend out. Let me take it out of the box. Some assembly required. Okay, and I got this for a couple of reasons. One, to be able to do some trimming right here where I film, and two, because I've seen people being able to trim little things, because this is real narrow here, and so they're able to trim little things easier. So that's the reason why I got it. And I think I'm going to tighten these down a little bit. I don't want them dancing quite so high. Anyway, I'll play with that. But anyway, that's the reason why I decided to get me a guillotine trimmer. Okay, the next thing is I decided to get the Distress inks in the Archival brand, because these are waterproof. So you can stamp and then watercolor with them, or like when you do ink smushing with your Distress inks, then you can stamp over the top of your ink smushed background an image or a sentiment or whatever in the coordinating Archival ink. So I thought that would be really cool. Okay, next I got some tonic stuff. And it kind of got me a little bit of a couple of different things just to try them. Okay, this is Nuvo Mica Mist, and I just thought this was a really pretty color for the summer. Let's see, what is it's called Pecan Peach. I just thought that was a really pretty color for the summer. And this one too, this one is Oriental Fuchsia. So we will play with that. And then I've had mousse before, but I thought this was a really pretty color. I think this is copper. So I wanted to give that a try. And then I got some drops. These are the Dream Drops, and these are really pretty. They are one color on white, and they are one color on another color on black cardstock. So let me see if I got a piece, some scraps here we can try out. Okay, and this color right here is gold something. I don't have my glasses on, I can't see it. So it's a very pretty light color gold. And I don't have a brush handy, so I'm just going to use my finger. So look how that kind of turned this really neat green opalescent color. So really cool. They're different on the different cardstocks. You just open up these packages and then we'll play with the other ones that I got. Okay, this pink is Love Potion. All right. On white, it's just a pretty little pink. And then on black, ooh, that is like turned purple. Okay, this one is Indigo Eclipse. Okay, on white, very pale lavenderish color. And then on black, oh wow, that just totally got brilliant. Okay, and then this last one is Cloud 9. I don't know if this will change anything because it's basically kind of just a pearly white. Oh yeah, it did. Okay. So, you just hold this up to the camera. That's what they look like on white, and then that's what they look like on black. What a difference, right? So cool. And so opalescent. Very cool. Okay, those are going to be fun. Okay, and then I just decided to add to my colors of Nuvo Crystal Drops. I needed a vibrant purple. And so this is a Violet Galaxy. I'll go ahead and squeeze a little bit out. So that's a really pretty purple. I like that. And then this blue is Gloss Midnight Blue. That's a pretty blue. I like that. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Let's set these aside so I don't get all into it. I think scrapbook.com had a Nuvo sale, and that's, oh, sorry, I just hit my head on the camera. And that's why I got a lot of Nuvo stuff, and so that's why all this. Okay, so I've been wanting to get me one of these scoops. This comes in handy when doing shaker cards, and you're trying to scoop up a whole bunch of those little shaker bits and stuff, and it's, you know, sometimes you just make a mess when you try to pinch them out with your fingers. So a craft spoon is really handy. And then I wanted to get this surface sweep brush just to clean off you know, any loose powders and things like that. So just to clean up your work surface faster and easier. And let's see. And I got just one stamp set. This is by Penny Black. It's called Birthday Love. Just looking for some more birthday sentiment stamp sets. Today is the oldest you've ever been and the youngest you'll ever be. Birthdays are good for you. Statistics show that people who have the most live the longest. Some things just get better with age, and you are definitely one of them. Love your birthday. Age is merely the number of years the world has been enjoying you. So I thought those were, some of them were really cute and some of them were really punny, and so I just thought that was nice. So that concludes my haul video. I hope to be able to get to making some stuff really soon with all these fun goodies. Gosh, I just really love how that looks. That is just so pretty, isn't it? And then those new Nuvo Drops colors I got there, and then there's the pearls. They're so pastel when they're on white. It's just crazy how they're different. Anyway, well, we should open this and try this. so that is very coppery, very shiny too. That's going to be really pretty too. Okay, I'm just going to close that back up. And I suppose we should try these mica mists. I've never tried a mica mist before. Let me set these aside and I will get another piece of scrap paper. Okay. I always keep these Simon card kit boxes to do spraying in. I think they're a great size for that. So you got to shake these up really good. So you can get a pretty fine spray, or if you're closer down, you can get a bigger spray. So let's see how this one looks. You look at the bottom to make sure it's all mixed up. That's very vibrant. It's very pretty. You see that? And then there's the orange. Very pretty. Those are going to be a lot of fun to play with. Alright, well that concludes my haul slash Simon Says kit unboxing. So I will have links down below in the video description, and hopefully I'll get this posted over on my blog too, so you can have picture links, and makes it a lot easier to sort through all the items. But thank you for stopping by today. I will see you soon in the next video.